What would you do if an emperor told you to stay silent or even suffer? This saint chose truth no matter the cost. Dear friends, today we take a look at Saint Basil the Great, the man who would not compromise. Basil was headed for fame, a brilliant teacher, admired and respected. But he made a shocking choice. He walked away from success to live gospel poverty. Would you ever give up comfort for your own conviction? Well, Basil definitely did so. After studying different religious communities, Basil founded what became the first monastery in Asia Minor. To the east, Basil is what Saint Benedict is to the west. His vision still shapes Eastern monastic life even today. Ordained a priest, then archbishop of Caesarea, not everyone was happy with him. Some bishops opposed him because they feared the reforms that he would bring would be not good. And then came the storm. Arianism was spreading fast, denying Christ's divinity. At the same time, Emperor Valens persecuted believers and even pressurized Basil to stay quiet. But Basil refused. The emperor then threatened him, but Basil stood firm. Eventually, the emperor backed down. Type "stand firm" in the comments if this inspires you. Later, when Saint Athanasius died, Basil became the church's main defender of the faith. But he paid dearly. He was misunderstood. He was accused of ambition and heresy. Well, even Rome did not respond to his appeals. He once wrote, "For my sins, I seem unsuccessful in everything." Yet, Basil never stopped serving. He built a hospital called a wonder of the world. He fed the hungry, working in soup kitchens himself. He preached twice a day to massive crowds, and he fought injustice and exploitation. His feast day is on the 2nd of January, which teaches us that faith doesn't need applause, only courage. Subscribe to the channel for more saint stories that inspire the soul.